Cooking with Flavio! So, what are we cooking today, Flavio?
Pizza!
And what do you need to put in?
Flour. And I already filled a little bit.
And how much flour?
I think 5, 0, and 0.
Poco in più, pochissimo. No, tu vedi un 5, c'è un 4. Un po' troppo. And now, what do? We need to put...
Oh, nearly forgot.
What is that?
I think I forgot something. Hello. I'm making another part of pizza.
What is that?
The thing that goes the pizza.
And it's called yeast.
Yeast?
Va bene,
Dry
e
yeast.
adesso semplicemente lì. Non c'è bisogno.
Put the whole packet in.
Yes, the whole pack.
E adesso mettiamo un cucchiaino di... sorry, a spoon, no? Little spoon, no?
Let's see, a spoon of sugar or salt?
Sugar.
Sugar.
Why? You know? Because it helps to rice.
Salt! Salt. And then
Perfetto.
And then
Is this hot or cold water?
hot.
Touch. It's warm, not hot.
Lukewarm.
Okay.
A little bit of oil.
Okay.
That's too little.
Do you think so?
Yes.
And now?
Oh, can you take the pressure out?
You know when it's done?
No.
What? When it's all like a big ball.
Yum, yum, yum. What's your favourite pizza, Flavio? What's your favourite pizza? What?
With tomato and whoa, cheese.
Tomato and woe cheese?
Cheese. Not whoa cheese.
And mushrooms?
Nah, not yeah.
Ham?
No.
And
No.
here's an important question. Should pineapple go on pizza?
Yes and no.
Yes and no. You know, your English says yes, but your Italian says no.
Yeah.
And the important bit. So what are you doing now, Flavio?
Cover this. I will go.
And how long do we leave it growing?
I think,
3 hours?
yeah, it depends how warm your house is. If
I
it's cold, it
think
takes longer.
maybe.
1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours.
I think 10 hours.
10 hours, then you make bread then.
So, we will see how much it grows.
Ooh, how big is that?
It used to be like this until here. And now it's until
Is it going to grow out the window, do you think?
I don't think so. Because we're going to make it so then when we make it, it goes onto here. We will need 2 of these to make 2 pizzas. I think we have 3. And 1 more we have to wait. Because how many do we have to cook at the time?
Now?
We have to...
Roll, Flavio.
Yes.
It's a pizza. No, we don't put children in the oven.
Yeah.
Now we take...
Roll this flour that is on here.
Now what we got here?
Oh, cheese. Roll the cheese. Roll that.
Roll. And then...
Take a piece of that. Put a piece of that in one of these and then tomato ketchup.
Tomato ketchup?
Tomato sauce. And then, oh yeah, ding!
It's as easy as that.
No, a bit bigger. How big you want your pizza?
Very big. Very big. Got it.
Okay, maybe this one is enough.
Will it stick on my hand then?
Yeah, it's okay. Put it together, otherwise you have 2 pizzas.
Yeah.
That is, you're cleaning the floor. You need to put more flour so it goes away from your hands, okay?
Yeah, that way. Hey, it's it. Some pizza left.
No.
Not me.
How many pizzas were there supposed to be?
3. And let's see how. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 4?
Who can't count?
Me!
Oh, who can have 1 more pizza?
Me!
Okay, so now you roll 1. Choose your pizza, not the biggest, because otherwise the thing is this, or this, or this.
Hey.
If it sticks, what do? You put more flour.
Flour on it.
Yeah. Not too much, but a little bit. Okay. Yeah, not making pizza again.
Flavio, what pizza are we going to make?
I don't know. Margarita. There's only one thing to do. Last. Eat the pizza. Where's the tomato? Woohoo. Lovely. Splat, splat, splat. Splat, 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 splat. Now we put the cheese.
The cheese.
Yeah, that means cheese. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, forgot to tip it. I think we do 1 by 1.
Yeah, I think so.
The tomatoes.
And the final bits,
A little bit.
un po' di olio.
And then ready for the oven. Pizza is ready.
Yum.
Flavio.
Pizza! Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Woo, pizza is falling. Pizza is falling.
Pizza.